Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English at Home. In previous video, we have learned how to form the comparative and the superlative form of adjective. We have also learned the irregular comparative and the superlative form of adjective. While forming the comparative and the superlative form of adjective, we add er or est suffix or more and the most prefix. For the irregular form of adjective, we can't add er or est suffix, but they have different comparative and the superlative form other than their positive form. For example, good, better, best, bad, ill, worse, worst, old, older, elder, oldest, eldest, late, later, latter, latest, last, far, farther, further, farthest, furthest. So these are the examples of irregular comparative and superlative forms of adjective. Now some adjective, they have two comparative forms and two superlative forms. Old, older, elder, oldest, eldest, late, later, latter, latest, last, far, farther, further, farthest, furthest. So today we are going to learn what is the difference between older, elder, oldest, eldest, and also we are going to learn how to use them in the sentence. The adjective elder, eldest or older, oldest, that means advance in age. They are used to show the age. Elder and eldest, these adjectives are reserved for persons, means they are used for person, whereas older and oldest, they are used for person as well as for thing. See the example. Amit is my elder brother. Here brother is the person and elder is used in comparative degree. Here Amit is older than Sumit. Older is used for person in a comparative degree. My car is older than Sham's car. Here older is used for car, that is for thing, in a comparative degree. She is the eldest of her three sisters. Here the adjective eldest is used for person, that is for sister, in superlative degree. This is the oldest temple in Nepal. Here temple is used for the place, that is Nepal, and it is in superlative degree. So now let's learn the use of these elder, eldest, older, oldest in detail in the sentences. Now let's learn how to use the adjective elder in the sentence. Amit is my elder brother. Here elder is used in a comparative degree. The adjective elder is used for person, usually for the family member. Brother is a family member. The adjective elder shows someone in greater age or someone who has lived for a longer time. Amit is elder than me. The adjective elder is not used for comparing the two persons. So this sentence is wrong. Instead of elder, we can use here older. We can say Amit is older than me. This is a correct sentence. So elder is used to tell the fact, elder brother, but elder is not used to compare the two persons. The adjective elder, it can be used as a noun also. See the example. We should respect our elders. Here elders, the adjective elders is a noun in the sentence. So this is the use of the adjective elder. The adjective older is used in a comparative degree. It refers a person as well as a thing. It shows someone or something in a greater age. See the example. Amit is my older brother. So here the adjective older describes the noun brother. The adjective older is used in a comparative degree as an attributive adjective. It describes the noun brother. In second sentence, Amit is older than Sumit. Here the adjective older, it compares these two persons. It is used to compare these two persons in a comparative degree. In third sentence, my car is older than Shyam's car. So older is also used to compare the things. So the adjective older, it compares the person as well as thing in a comparative degree. The adjective eldest, it is used in superlative degree. It is used for person, especially the family members. It is used to show someone who has lived or existed for the longer time. See the example. Madhuri is my eldest sister. So the adjective eldest, it is used in superlative degree. It describes the noun sister. It is an attributive adjective that comes before or used before the noun sister. Second sentence, he is the eldest in the family. Here the adjective eldest, again it is used in superlative degree to show the person or to describes the person, that is he. It is an attributive adjective. It comes after this verb or linking verb is. So the adjective is eldest is used for person, for family member in a superlative degree. The adjective oldest, it is used in superlative degree. It is used for person as well as thing. It shows the person or thing, someone or something that has existed or lived for the longest time. See the example. He is the oldest in the class. Here the adjective oldest, which is used in superlative degree, it describes the pronoun he. In second sentence, Kamal is the oldest member. So here adjective oldest, it describes the person, that is member. It is an attributive adjective. It is used before the noun member. In third sentence, that is the oldest film I have seen. The adjective oldest, it is the attributive adjective. It comes after the linking verb, that is. It describes the noun film, that is a thing. In fourth sentence, bacteria are the oldest organisms on the earth. So oldest is again used for the living thing. Oldest is used in superlative degree. So the adjective oldest is used in superlative degree for person or thing. It shows a person or thing that has existed for the longest time. Today we have learned the difference between elder, older and eldest, oldest. We have also learned how to use them in the sentences. If you have understood the difference and use of these adjectives, use them in the sentences. These are the exercise sentences. First one, this is the dash song I have heard. Gita is dash than me. I am the dash sibling in my family. My mobile is dash than your mobile. He is the dash in the family. So solve this example. Practice more sentences of elder, older, eldest and older. Thank you. If you like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share it.